See, as of today, I am not going to say I'm a Gaza selector no more.
They are Birmingham, UK. Don't know, big up the world of Trinidad Jamal. All I do is hello.
Wally paper. Go for a bill up Jamaica.
It's a tape. Gaza not real. Atlanta, I'm in town.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, welcome back to our next episode on the channel. Yeah man, remember if for your first time I circle bad channel, you know, we are begging to like and to subscribe upon the content. Yeah man, enough respect and thanks, you see? Alright then, so in this episode, we have Nico Fire. I'm turning him Gaza badge, you know, people. Him done with it. He must say him can't take it beating no more. From where he might get beaten left, right and center. So he just carrying him Gaza ID and he just take for himself. So we have check out him video and hear what he might deal with. Also, we have Dunman, Jamal Dunman over there in England one night time, a freestyle for Chris Sata. But freestyle, you know, people. We have to go take a look and see what really are going on with that. Yeah man, we also have CI Nation, the young talent. Bad tune the dog drop, you know, as a juvenile, you know. We have to go look on that kind of people and hear where my did it, you know. Yeah man, and I know normal. We also have Vybz Kartel over there in Atlanta. Dip on the ground and live the king life already, you know. Yeah man, show a little more. You don't know the thing go. State Farm Arena. We're gonna check out the boss and see where my did, you see me. Also, we have the reason as to why Sizzla Kalonji never perform over there in Trinidad. We're gonna take a look at the article there and see what it has said really and truly, you see me? Yeah man, but first we are kick it off with Vybz Kartel, the king. I say man live the king life in Atlanta. Check it out, people.
You will see, are you alone? You alone. You don't mean a one burner. We give up on some girl boy, yeah. We didn't even have to talk about that. Cause you have me like a controller. No, you don't interest me. Bumper big, still not impress me. Inside and out, you're still sexy. Cause you are my marriage and my honeymoon. My ex could never step in on your shoes, Louis leather. It's giving forever. And I love the way I move, when you move. And you brighten my life like the summertime, keeping me warm in the wintertime. And you brighten my life like the summertime. Living my life, I'm well good. Bad man, girl, not like you.
It's a tape. Gaza not real. Atlanta, I'm in town. And remember, later, State Farm Arena, Vybz Kartel live. Be there. What the sun me knows.
Put your motherfucking hands up. Girl in a bikini.
So that a Vybz Kartel check in on the ground, you know, people. Yeah man, live in Atlanta. And not normal, you know, people. You see, say boss in a ski and all our vibes, you know, well clean. In a towers one night time. King lifestyle. I look down on the subject. You see me? Yeah man, I saw it go man. So if you're in a Atlanta area, look more, you can circle your bar show. Make sure you reach, you know. Yeah man, now go normal people. It go burn off, State Farm Arena. Gone, yeah, me tell you. Yeah man, so now we are check out Nico Fire. He must say him done with the Gaza thing, you know, people. Him say man on a Gaza selector no more. I'm see some people that beat him what they say, yo, man on a Gaza selector. So he finally hear what I go on and he just carrying him ID, said speed.
I realized that from me do the video and come out and say Vybz Kartel no worth over 1 million US. I realized that the Gaza fans them and Jamaica people and the people them across the world beat me feet. And everybody has said, me disrespect Vybz Kartel, me this, me that. But guess what me I said now? Me I go cut this out. You see, as of today, I am not going to say I'm a Gaza selector no more because I realize that because me say me a Gaza selector, it a cause a problem. Because me say me a Gaza selector, me rate alkaline, music, it a cause a problem. Because me say me a Gaza selector and Vybz Kartel do some things that me no rate and I might talk about it without disrespecting him. We disrespecting him, they must say me no rate him. And because me not one of them Gaza sheep there, and people that move like artists can't do nothing wrong, because I'm a very vocal person without being disrespectful to nobody. So me I got done that something there. Me I'm not a Gaza selector no more. So me free to say anything I want to say without the Gaza fans them say me a traitor, me I'm a Gaza and them something there. And teacher, me and you know you watch me. Because I remember say me tell you for link right now, you link right now. Enough things me tell you for do, and me see you do it, and me rate you for that. See you put out a video so you know your worth now. And because I come out and say, you know worth $1 million, you just come back and come just say, yo, you know your worth. I remember say 2002, you tell me say, when we are juvenile, you tell me say me I go be one of Jamaica's baddest selector. Yeah, remember say you tell me that. But long story short, me this is Spaniard. And Skeng come sing about it too. And I represent Spanish town. So when they say Spaniard, remember say me this is Spaniard. And put it out there. So a Nico Fire Spaniard my name now. Me and a Gaza selector again. I rate teacher, I rate alkaline, I rate massacre, I rate every artist. But I realize that cause the problem because I say me a Gaza selector. So I'm done with that now. I'm not a Gaza selector, I'm a Nico Fire, the Spaniard. Represent Spanish town and I place that. You know what thing go.
Yeah, family, so that a Nico Fire, you know, he must say him done with the Gaza selecting business, you know. Yeah, man, he must say him is no longer a Gaza selector. He can't take the pressure no more. He might get too much beaten from the fans them. Yeah, man, since him say him a Gaza selector, because you don't know, him come out already and say him publicly rate Alkaline and other artists outside of the Gaza. So you know, so the fans them now go take too keen for that. You see me, the Gaza fans them. Yeah, man, and recent times he might make talk against what Vybz Kartel doing. I say, yo, Vybz Kartel do worth $1 million for your show, which is far from the truth, because in my opinion, I believe Vybz Kartel worth more than $1 million, you see me? Because if you have the power for pull people out of them yard and full venues to the max, you see me, you more than deserve $1 million US for that, you see, because nowadays, people now leave them yard for nothing more than so. So if people really say, oh, them a go Vybz Kartel show and go watch a DJ perform live, it's a big commitment that them make, and them pay money for do that as well. Top dollar, yeah man. So teacher deserve that more than 1,000, you see me? Yeah man. So you must be careful of them make certain talk against the Gaza, because yeah man, now go take too keen to that, you see me? Yeah man. But understand in perspective, the more I can speak freely upon every other artist without backlash, but you don't know how Jamaican people stay. Once you say, yo, yeah, rep something, you have to hold it, you see me? Yeah man, that's how it go. So now we are check out Sizzla Kalonji. Yeah man, the reason as to why I never perform at the show over there in Trinidad. We are check it out. Article titled Sizzla requested similar booking fee upon discovery of Vybz Kartel's payout. Yeah man, so Sizzla and them team discover how much money Vybz Kartel did get paid for that event there, and decide now say, yo, them should get that similar amount there for the show, being that Vybz Kartel had to cancel based on the fact that the promoter could not fulfill the contractual obligations. Yeah man, so the article went on to further state, quoted by the promoter, "We had every intention of fulfilling Sizzla's contract. However, following Kartel's withdrawal, his team communicated that they now expected the same amount Kartel was contracted for. They felt Sizzla should be considered the new headliner, which is understandable. Their reasoning was also solid, noting that Kartel is on tracks and Sizzla has a full live band. But financially for us, this was simply not something we had planned for or agreed to," quoted by the promoter. Yeah man, so the promoter basically has said, yo, him would go ahead and consider Sizzla the new headline act for the show and pay him the money, but due to financial constraints, they would not be able to do that, you know? Yeah man, so basically that's an explanation as to why Sizzla had to pull his performance that was scheduled on that day as well in Trinidad and Tobago. But still, Sizzla is in Trinidad and Tobago, and he might look for organize a show for the fans right now and give them a performance before him leave the country. Yeah man, so that I go work on that, and eventually the people they might get to see a live Sizzla performance in a Trinidad. Yeah man, so now we are check out Jamal Dunman in a UK, a freestyle with Chris Sata. Yeah man, bad freestyle no people. We are check it out and see what the Dunman did.
3-9 with the Birmingham UK. Don't know, big up the world of J.A. 3-9 good. All I know is hello. Go for the bar when I perform. From Black Eye Glass, no pigeons. From Black Eye Glass. Chili on the lane, girl in my front. Put a 3-story house in my jungle. Tell this body I don't feel me up in. All another y'all tone, me make $1 million fall. On the scheme in a iron shore. Me dog knock on the client door. Me live in high France. Birmingham. Dunman there, man. You see me, I say 399 code. Everybody make it a late. And down with it. 6 go mad. Yo, cash code. In bank close.
3-9, yeah man, Dunman himself, that you know people in a Birmingham there, you know, a freestyle with Chris Sata one night time. But freestyle, sister the Ballon d'Or, a hold off on the buzz rhythm. Yeah man, him a hold it one night time and a bounce, you know, and not with normal people. So if you're in a Birmingham area, you can circle event, make sure you pull up to your dog event and check out your dog, you see me? Jamal Dunman, yeah man, art artist right now on the ground people. and I'm not normal. Yeah. So now we check out a bad young talent I found up in our game right now. I'm saying name CI Nation. I look at Juvenile, but the song we must sing right now, but the lyrics them big and them a thump. I gotta check it out.
Wally paper, go for a bill up Jamaica. No boy can call we no failure. But tell them a CI Nation first never last. You one left area. Money for you come in this area. The fears you not hear that. You will get clout like Taylor. Still I add money like maths class. Ask me teacher school me a top class. Baba me character. Just now rock bank now grab card. Watch up a big pool in a my backyard. Mum fi smile when she see her fat car. Me a star from a small car not fall. Me lyrics them strong like alcohol. Whoa, one heap of money. One heap of money. Yeah, see I now move funny. Come here fi take care of mommy.
Make me know what you think about the Juvenile people. CI Nation, me see the song today and me I tell you, I start hear the lyrics, me after bounce, me after move. Cause what? The lyrics when my DJ, it a make sense and it a flow. Me I hear what I say and it a connect. Yeah man, that's true like them they will need from Juvenile, you see me? Yeah man, Juvenile have to know how them construct them song. As a little youth, certain lyrics you have to know how to deal with them. Yeah man, me rate how him did that song there. Now like if you want to check out the full song, you can check out him YouTube page, CI Nation. Yeah man, and view the full song over there with a video as well. Yeah man, it's officially out right now, so you can check it out on him YouTube channel. Yeah, so now we are shifty ball game. We are check out Shelly Belly and tear down the river one time. Yo people, on the opposite is check it out. Be a madness I go on this way, you know. You see how Shelly Belly have her walk with her across the whole place, then chew up on the scooter. When I type of check say people, even that just drive off with the scooter and I water and just chuck off for that time. Yeah man, you don't know Shelly Belly go crazy with it, you know. Yeah man, he might dancing king right now, so you can't expect anything from Shelly Belly, you know. He might have that shot value there. Yeah man, they might shake out the place one time and go on with be a madness. Yeah man, and I know nah man, when them man that perform, I entertainment straight people, you know. Yeah man, I have to glow, you have to look what go on and enjoy the vibe, enjoy the moment. Yeah man, so if you make it through to the end of the video, one big up and tell you thanks for watch the entire episode. We see the strength we get from the last set of video them and we respect it, we appreciate it, we're grateful. Yeah man, yeah Jam TV say big up. Yeah man, stay tuned for more episodes from the channel. Mad.